Hi there. In this methods video, we're going to talk about personas. We'll cover what a persona is, how you can use this in your organization, what value it actually provides, and how to create one. First, let's start with what it is. A persona is a profile that represents a particular group of people, such as a group of customers or users, a market segment, a subset of employees, or any other stakeholder group. A persona is not a stereotype, rather, it's an archetype based on research. Even though personas are fictional, they help make groups of people with similar service needs more understandable. Often, personas are used to challenge existing definitions of market segments in an organization. Try to base your personas on common user needs, patterns, similar interests, etc. In general, be careful when using demographics for personas. Age, gender, income, and the like is data that's easy to get, and therefore it's often used in marketing to segment customers. But demographics often lead to stereotypes and not actionable insights regarding your users. Netflix even says that demographics are garbage when it comes to predicting user needs. So try to use your personas as a chance to break free from current ways of market segmentation and create personas that are based on research, which can ultimately help you break down silos and get away from stereotypes. Now, let's talk about how we can use this in our organization and what value it actually provides. There are 3 specific things to think about. First, personas can be used to share research findings and insights within your team, but they can also serve as a common language to align an interdisciplinary team or align multiple organizations. Second, personas can help create buy-in. They help gain buy-in on a specific user problem or need within a team or even outside of a team. Third, empathy. They help a team to get onto the same page and step into the shoes of different customer groups, to understand their needs, and to check on how the work of the company actually serves the customer. For example, some companies even take a life-size cardboard cutout of their persona, and they bring them to meetings to include a specific perspective. So, how do we create one? There are 5 different steps. First, figure out what you want to learn about your customer. You can consider questions like, what are their goals? What are they worried about? What needs do they have? What expectations do they have of my product or service? Secondly, once you've figured out some questions, go and talk to your customer. But really. Third, draw on what you have. Chances are you probably know a little bit of information about your customers through things like CRM data, analytics, customer databases, order history, and so forth. These kind of things can be added to your personas. Fourth, create a draft of your persona in a pen and paper workshop. On our website, you'll find free downloads of persona templates that you can use for your workshop. If you can, include your customer in these workshops. If you can't, frontline staff who often interact with the customer are also great in these types of workshops. Fifth, try SMAPLY to translate your first drafts into professionally illustrated personas that you can share, edit, and further develop. If you're curious about how to create stakeholder maps, journey maps, or the methodology behind these tools, check out our methods videos.